Are you getting this error message in Stremio? If yes, then watch this video till then because I am going to give you the best solution. The first step is to open Stremio as an administrator. So simply look for Stremio app in your system and right click and click on run as administrator. After opening Stremio, you can go to settings and scroll down a bit. You can click on this clear local storage and clear all the local storage from your Stremio app. Now you need to press Windows and R and enter here percentage appdata percentage and click on OK. And herein you need to look for the Stremio app. So here in the Stremio app, just open this Stremio server and right click here, select all and click on this delete option and delete everything in this folder. Now again go to the Stremio app and herein you need to go to this add-on option and community option. You need to configure those apps which are causing the issue. There is an option of configure, so you can configure here and also go to my add-ons here, and herein you need to uninstall those apps which you are not using. So just tap on this uninstall option if you're not using a specific app. Make sure to disable your antivirus and VPN temporarily because they may cause this issue. And now you can go to settings again, and herein you can look for the advanced option. Just scroll down a bit and you will find this advanced option. So here in advanced option, hardware accelerated decoding is turned off. Just turn this on. Now you need to open task manager. So in processes you can see some processes are running, like you need to just select Stremio and click on end task. Also end task unnecessary processes which may be causing this issue because several processes may cause this issue. Lastly, if nothing works, you can uninstall Stremio and reinstall it once again. Open control panel, click on uninstall a program, select this Stremio app and click on uninstall. Now go to Google and type in download Stremio and make sure to open stremio.com only because this is the official website of Stremio. Do not download this app from any external website and download it from here. And after downloading it, make sure to restart your PC and check whether you are getting this error or not. And in case you face any problem, you can mention it in the comment section. I will make sure to give you reply. And in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.